welcome back to Real Trading Journey. On the last episode we were looking at a position that I'd recently entered in gold where I'd got a really nice tight stop loss and the position was in profit. Let's see how we got on. I marked on the chart where I entered at just over 4,000 with a tight stop loss at 3,995, and as you can see the trade moved in my favour almost immediately. However, just having made the last video last week, almost immediately the trade at 2 o'clock moved against me and took me out. I ended up taking profit at 4,024, which was a risk reward of 2.31. A good trade, but not as good as what it could have been considering it was up at nearly 5.5. However, if I zoom out the chart, you'll see that price rallied to the upside. My entries have been really good recently. However, there are times that when the market either starts to go down or go sideways, I can find myself losing a lot of trades and giving back the market a lot of the money that I've made. So I'm considering whether or not it might be better off to have a wider stop loss to get a better, higher win rate with smaller risk reward, but overall a nicer, smoother equity curve. On screen now is a position that I entered on Tuesday evening, just going into Wednesday morning. On the opening of the market at 11 o'clock, I placed a trade which had an extremely tight stop loss of just 5 pips. And throughout the night, it rallied very, very nicely to a point where I actually managed to get out at 12 times risk reward, which actually was a profit of £1,600. That takes the Real Trading Journey into profitability, and it'll be interesting over the next couple of weeks just to see if I can build on that. Thanks for watching this episode, and I'll see you on the next one.